Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad AZZIM FESHAL Ismail. My metric ID is SX210299ECGHS01, Section 1 from Johor Bahru, and I'm from Team 3. Today I will be presenting high fidelity mockup prototype. My project name is Eco World Sports Online Booking System. This project allow customer to book online booking sports facilities. Currently, the system is still using a manual booking processing system, causing heavy load on job staff. Our stakeholder is Eco World Sport. They giving us an opportunity to study deeper about system analysis design, and we giving them a suggestion of improvement for the system. For your information, Eco World Sport is located at Gelang Patah, Johor. Next, we're gonna discuss the issue with current system. Problem on current system divided into three sides. First one is goes to the customer side. First, customer needs to undergo manual booking process to book facilities. Sometimes customer call not reach because either phone was busy or sports center didn't answer the call. And sports center staff also only work within working hours and not 24 hours. Customer also didn't know much information about sports center, such what type of facilities they provide, rental price for every facilities, and availability of facilities on chosen date and time. The second one from POV of the sports center itself. Sports center staff sometimes need to answer call for booking and serve customer only one at a time. Sports center staff also facing double booking issue, especially when shift change at counter. They also currently they also receive several amount of complaint from customer, but didn't have a good platform to manage the complaint. Eco World Sport Center don't have a proper booking record management or record of customer detail, for especially for their marketing purposes, such as to send promotion, new service or facilities, or any news for the customer. Third, for the sport shop site. Sport shop site can only open if during peak period time, which is in night time. Customer only had night time to see and buy merchandise at the shop. With our system, there will be also potential buyer during daytime, because people already take a look at our shop, online shop, so they can come at daytime where they were using Eco World Sports facilities. Next, solution to the issue, which is our project. So briefly, our project allow customer to online book sports facilities. Customer also can choose time and date of preference on their own. Customer also can pay online for the services via FPX. Sport merchandise also available during purchase by using the system, which is online shop. Customer also know the latest news of all operation information provided by Eco World Sports. In the meantime, the system also reduce workload sports center staff, whereas they have many things to do. So next is my overall UI flow for my landing page for employees login to the employee screen. See, and my process is on add code and product details and add news, and these two process my module, my chosen module. For overall UI flow, I will explain further during prototype demo. Now let's go on to the physical FD2B for Eco World Sport System, online booking system. Okay. For our system, there is 6 process, which is the first one is add customer record in the system, booking code, purchase product, add code and product detail, add news, and add feedback complaint. Next, I will show you chart diagram level 1 for process 4. For process 4, for process 4.1, employee will insert product detail via phone or PC. So employee must fill in the form, and the form and the data from the form will insert to the product database, and product database will update the info to the process and display to the user interface for customer landing page. I also put in two two features, which is insert new which is edit and delete product detail, insert new product detail, employee insert new product detail on PC, so they can edit the existing data, or they can delete the existing data. So for this process, any action from the employee will update the new data to the product database system. Same goes to the add code detail. I also, because the employee also need to insert code detail, what type of code, date register for the code, and the code additional detail or pictures. And within the process, data will insert to code database. From the code database system, I will update to code info for the user interface for customer landing page. I also same as product. I also include edit and delete features for code. The next one, child diagram for process 5. This employee must insert. If employee want to add news, they need to insert the news information through the process, which is a form, and the data will upload to the news database. From the database, the info will update to the process for customer to see. Edit and delete features also available for the news. Next, for self-reflection, what I'm able to learn from this system analysis design, from the subject system analysis design. First, I will be able to explain phases in system analysis design, which is I need to do Gantt chart, bird chart for time management, for the journey to finish our product, our system. And next, I will be able to gather and interpret facts, diagnose problem, and using the information to recommend improvement to the system. The third one, I will be able to demonstrate the appropriate use of software to illustrate logical DFD level 0, child diagram level 1, and physical DFD. I also can demonstrate the appropriate system architecture and user interface design. Lastly, I will be able to evaluate system implementation method. Next, gonna go through to prototype demo. Stay tuned. As you can see, this is my UI system. First, you can log in and go to the employee login page. Employee need to insert the username and password, and then log in. Then you also have menu interface here. For employee when employee wants to add code or product detail, they need to click the button here and go to the next menu interface. If customer want to add product, then they will form they will encounter the with form product wants to add product form. If they want to add code, they also they will get into fill the code add code form. For the edit and delete for code product and code, they need to click this button. They can choose for product. They later will show the table for product. They can click and edit or delete. Also same goes for the code. This is hit button. They can edit and delete. Next, for add news, and when you click the button add news, they goes to the new menu interface which you can add. You see same because employee need to fill the form and then submit. They should edit the form. If they want to edit the form, they will see table. You can choose one and edit. So that's all for my uh, product prototype, system prototype. Thank you. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for my lecturers for teaching me for this sem, Madam Dr. Shaliza, and thank you all for watching.